Welcome back, folks. Hope everyone's having a beautiful Saturday. It's a blessed day, sunny day outside in Pretoria, South Africa. And I want to share something with you today. It's called How to Make an Impact with No Money. All right, let's look at Acts chapter 3 for this one. Okay, let me just find it here quickly. All right, here we go, almost there. Acts chapter 3. So the heading of this passage that we're going to read today is a lame man healed. All right, it says, Now Peter and John went up together to the temple at the hour of prayer, the 9th hour. And a certain man, lame from his mother's womb, was carried, whom they laid daily at the gate of the temple, which is called Beautiful, to ask alms from those who entered the temple, who, seeing Peter and John about to go into the temple, asked for alms. And fixing his eyes on him with John, Peter said, Look at us. So he gave them his attention, expecting to receive something from them. Then Peter said, Silver and gold I do not have, but what I do have I give you. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, rise up and walk. And he took him by the right hand and lifted him up, and immediately his feet and ankle bones received strength. So he, leaping up, stood and walked and entered the temple with them, walking, leaping, and praising God. And all the people saw him walking and praising God. Then they knew that it was he who sat begging alms at the Beautiful gate at the temple. And they were filled with wonder and amazement at what had happened to him. So this is actually one of my favorite, my new favorites passages, actually, because it is so powerful and it is so inspirational, and just the fact that what happened, you can already see there's great power in this passage. So as you can see, the lame guy wanted money from Peter, or something equivalent to money, but Peter gave him something more valuable than money. He made him walk again. And how did he do it? If we look at verse 16 further down, now after Peter healed the guy, the people was acting like, oh, it was Peter or John, or, it was through him that the guy got healed. But on the contrary, it wasn't. Look at verse 16. It says, and his name, through faith in his name, has made this man strong, whom you see and know. So he was talking about Jesus. So the guy got healed by the name of Jesus and having faith in the name of Jesus Christ. So that's how he got healed. And as you can see afterwards, after he got healed, he didn't even worry about money anymore. If we look at verse 7, verse 8, it says, So he, leaping up, stood and walked and entered the temple with them, walking, leaping, and praising God. See, we don't always need money to make a difference, as we see here that Peter, by applying faith in the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, changed the lame guy's whole condition, and then in an instant. So, and there was not even money. There was no money involved, nothing to make this happen. So, I want us to look beyond money, in situations where, you find yourself stuck in a sense because you think that you need money to proceed, and which is not the case. You can make a difference in someone's life without using money or without giving the person money. And let's try and apply it, and I hope this encourages us, and motivates us to actually look at other ways to assist and not just use money as our focus point. If I don't have money, I can't do anything, because that's not the case. God provides ultimately, and let's be hopeful and take that. That's how you make an impact with no money, folks. Changing someone's life by the name of Jesus Christ and having faith in his name. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. It's always wonderful to share new things with you, and you should have a blessed day. Stay faithful, stay peaceful. I love you. God bless you.